In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download YouTube Creator app on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have already downloaded YouTube app. If not, navigate to App Store and download it. Likewise, for the YouTube Create app, launch your App Store. Now in the search box, type in YouTube Create. After app appears, click on the option Get or this cloud kind of icon. Your Face ID will be enabled or you'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID's password. Once you complete this process, download process will start. After you download it, launch it. Now provide your YouTube account's credentials and log into your account. Now you can manage your channel on the go by monitoring video performance, checking analytics like views and engagement, responding to comments, uploading videos, editing video details, and track earnings. It's a powerful tool for staying on top of your YouTube content and channel management anytime, anywhere. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.